and, because, but, if, or, so, then, that, when, where, a, all, and, another, any, both, each, every, his, its, many, more, most, much, my, no, one, other, our, some, that, the, their, these, this, those, what, which, whose, year, 8, 18, 80, 11, 15, 50, 5, 40, 4, 14, 9, 19, 90, 1, 7, 17, 70, 6, 16, 60, 10, 13, 30, 3, 12, 22, all, any, anybody, anyone, anything, both, each other, everybody, everyone, everything, he, her, hers, him, his, I, it, its, lot, many, me, mine, more, much, nothing, ours, same, she, some, someone, something, that, them, these, they, this, those, us, we, what, which, who, whose, you, yours, yourself, about, above, after, around, as, at, before, behind, below, beside, between, by, for, from, in, inside, into, like, near, of, on, over, past, than, through, to, under, until, up, with, at, agree, answer, arrive, ask, become, begin, believe, blow, borrow, break, breathe, bring, brush, build, buy, carry, catch, celebrate, change, choose, clean, close, collect, color, come, cook, cut, dance, describe, discuss, draw, drink, drop, eat, enjoy, exercise, feel, fill, find, finish, fly, focus, forget, get, give, go, read, grow, guess, happen, hear, help, hide, hurt, imagine, introduce, join, judge, jump, keep, kick, kill, know, laugh, learn, leave, let, like, listen, live, look, love, make, mean, meet, miss, note, open, paint, pay, phone, pick, play, practice, pray, push, put, rain, read, remember, repeat, ride, ring, run, save, say, see, sell, set, share, show, sing, sit, sleep, solve, speak, spend, start, stay, step, stop, study, swim, take, talk, teach, tell, thank, think, travel, turn, use, visit, wait, wake, walk, want, wash, watch, wear, welcome, win, work, write, action, activity, actor, address, afternoon, age, airplane, airport, album, animal, answer, apple, April, apron, arm, art, article, August, ant, autumn, baby, back, bag, ball, banana, band, bank, bar, baseball, basketball, bat, bath, bathroom, beach, bean, bear, bed, bedroom, bee, beef, bell, bicycle, bike, bird, birth, birthday, biscuit, black, lock, blue, board, boat, body, bone, book, bookstore, bottle, bottom, bowl, box, boy, boyfriend, brain, bread, breakfast, bridge, brother, brush, bucket, building, burger, bus, business, butter, butterfly, button, buy, cafe, cake, call, camera, camp, candy, cap, car, card, care, cartoon, case, cat, catch, CD player, celebration, share, change, character, check, cheese, chicken, child, chocolate, church, cinema, circle, city, class, classmate, classroom, line, clock, cloth, clothes, cloud, club, coach, coat, code, coffee, coke, cold, collection, college, color, computer, concert, contest, conversation, cook, cookie, cop, copy, corn, corner, couch, horse, cousin, cover, cow, cream, credit card, pride, culture, cup, dad, daddy, dance, dancing, date, daughter, day, December, design, desk, dictionary, difference, did, dining room, dinner, dish, dog, doll, dollar, door, drive, drama, dream, dress, drink, drive, driver, drum, DVD, ear, egg, email, end, engineer, evening, event, example, excuse, eye, face, factory, ferry, family, fan, farm, farmer, father, favorite, February, feed, feeling, festival, fever, field, fight, file, finish, fire, fish, fishing, flag, flat, floor, flower, fly, food, football, foreigner, form, Friday, friend, frog, fruit, fun, future, game, garbage, garden, ghost, gift, girl, girlfriend, glass, glasses, goal, grade, grammar, grandfather, grandma, grandmother, grandpa, grandparent, grape, grass, gray, ground, group, guest, guitar, guy, habit, hair, haircut, half, hall, hamburger, hand, hat, head, headache, health, heart, hello, hill, history, hobby, hold, whole, holiday, home, hometown, homework, hope, horse, hospital, hotel, hour, house, hurry, husband, ice, ice cream, idea, information, internet, interview, interviewer, island, item, jacket, January, jeans, jet, jewelry, job, juice, July, June, key, cake, kid, kind, king, kiss, kitchen, kite, knee, knife, lady, language, last name, leader, leaf, leg, lesson, letter, library, life, light, lily, line, lion, list, living room, look, love, luck, lunch, machine, magazine, mail, man, map, march, match, math, matter, may, meal, meat, medicine, meeting, memory, message, milk, mind, minute, miss, mobile, mobile phone, mom, moment, mommy, Monday, money, monkey, month, moon, morning, mother, mountain, mouse, mouth, move, movie, Mr., Mrs., mum, music, musician, name, nationality, neck, neighbor, news, newspaper, night, noise, nose, note, notebook, November, number, nurse, October, office, officer, Olympics, opera, orange, order, owner, page, paint, painting, pair, palace, pants, paper, paragraph, pardon, parent, park, partner, party, pay, piece, pen, pencil, people, period, person, pet, phone, photo, piano, picnic, picture, piece, pig, pizza, place, plan, plane, play, player, pleasure, pocket, poem, point, pollution, pool, pop, host, poster, potato, practice, present, price, prince, princess, problem, program, purple, quarter, question, rabbit, radio, ring, rat, reader, reading, reason, reporter, restaurant, result, review, ribbon, rice, ride, river, roll, room, rose, row, rule, ruler, run, sailor, salad, sail, sandwich, Saturday, saw, school, science, scientist, seed, seed, section, self, sentence, September, shake, sheep, shelf, ship, shirt, shoe, shop, shopping, shoulder, shower, side, sight, sign, singer, sir, sister, sight, size, skill, skirt, sky, smell, smile, smith, smoke, smoking, snake, snow, soccer, sofa, sun, psalm, soup, speech, spell, sport, spot, spring, spy, stage, stand, star, start, station, stone, stop, store, story, street, student, subject, subway, sugar, suggestion, sum, summer, sun, Sunday, sunshine, supermarket, surf, surprise, survey, swim, swimming, swimming pool, t-shirt, table, taxi, tea, teacher, team, technology, telephone, television, temple, tennis, test, banks, theater, thing, throw, Thursday, ticket, tiger, time, today, toilet, tomato, tomorrow, tool, tooth, top, topic, touch, towel, tower, town, toy, train, tree, trip, trousers, truck, try, tooth, Tuesday, turkey, turn, TV, tide, umbrella, uncle, underline, vacation, base, vegetable, video, visit, volleyball, boat, waiter, waitress, walk, wall, war, wash, watch, water, way, weather, Wednesday, week, weekend, wheel, white, wife, wind, window, winter, wish, woman, word, work, worker, world, worry, rider, yard, year, yellow, yogurt, zoo, afraid, all right, angry, awake, bad, beautiful, best, better, big, black, blank, blue, boring, bright, broken, brown, busy, careful, clean, clever, close, closed, cloudy, cold, cool, correct, cute, dark, dear, delicious, different, difficult, dirty, dry, do, easy, elementary, everyday, excellent, excited, exciting, expensive, fair, false, famous, fast, fat, favorite, fine, first, foggy, following, foreign, free, front, full, fun, funny, glad, gold, good, gray, great, green, handsome, happy, hard, healthy, heavy, high, hot, hungry, ideal, important, interested, interesting, key, large, late, lazy, left, light, little, living, lonely, long, lovely, lucky, merry, middle, new, nice, off, okay, old, only, open, orange, own, personal, pink, poor, pretty, quiet, rainy, ready, real, red, rich, right, rude, sad, same, second, short, shy, sick, slow, small, smart, snowy, social, sorry, special, still, strange, strict, strong, successful, sunny, super, sure, sweet, tall, terrible, thick, thin, tight, tired, true, ugly, warm, well, white, wonderful, wrong, yellow, young, about, above, again, ago, alright, almost, alone, along, already, also, always, am, away, back, before, behind, below, best, both, carefully, down, early, either, else, everywhere, fast, first, hard, here, how, just, late, later, little, lot, maybe, much, never, no, not, now, clock, often, okay, once, only, out, outside, past, please, PM, quickly, real, really, right, same, short, soon, straight, then, there, today, together, tomorrow, tonight, too. Usually, very, well, when, where, why, yes, yesterday, yet.